floats there like magic. What I found. For this one, I'm using a much bigger superconductor, and I'm again cooling it with some. By now, it should be good, and I can take it out and drop it onto this little track, and if I push it, it's able to move without falling off. It's also surprisingly strong, and even if I push it decently hard, I can put it into a large beaker, and I'll add about 2 liters. Then into this, I'll add some regular almost immediately with the vinegar, which is acetic acid, and it turns it into sodium acetate out of CO2 gas, so I had to add it in a bunch of small portions to make sure that it didn't bubble over. Okay, so now, with all the baking soda added, I can turn on the stirring. I'll also turn on the hot plate, and I'll heat this whole thing up until it's almost boiling. What I'm trying to do, it was hard to see, but there was a very thin film of crust forming on the surface, So now, all I have to do is add a small amount of vinegar, and I can find
घूमती हुई डिस्क का इस्तेमाल 30 लाइंस का रेजोल्यूशन और लगभग 5